Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Chrome and Edge web browser not to track while browsing in any computer or smartphone. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you on the respective computer. So just open the Chrome web browser firstly and just click on this three dot icons on the right top corner, and now you'll see here settings. Just click on it. Now click on this privacy and security, and here on the right side you can see here third-party cookies. Just click on it. Now you will see here send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Just you need to enable this. Click on confirm. Now your do not track option is being enabled. Now your Chrome will not track you while you are browsing. So this is how you can do on your respective Chrome web browser for your respective computer. So now just open the Edge web browser on your respective computer, and once again click on this three dot icons on the right top corner and just click on the settings. Now on the left side you can see your privacy option. Just click on it. Now here you can see tracking prevention. So if it is turned off, just enable it. So the tracking prevention has been enabled, and scroll down again. I will see here one more option, send do not track request. Just enable it. Click on send request. Now your do not track option is enabled on your respective Edge web browser. So this is how you can do on your respective Edge browser for the respective computer. So now let's jump to the smartphone. Now on your respective smartphone, just open the Chrome web browser and just click on this three dot icons on the right top corner again, and now you'll see here settings. Just click on it. Now here you will see here privacy and security. Just click on it. Now here you will see send a do not track request option. Just click on it. Now if it is turned off, then just enable it. Now your respective Chrome web browser for your respective smartphone will not track you while you're browsing. So this is how you can do on your Chrome web browser. And now just open the Edge web browser on your respective smartphone and just click on this three horizontal lines on the right bottom corner. Now click on the settings. Now click on this privacy, security and services. Just scroll down below and we'll see your tracking prevention. Just click on it and just enable it. And below there are some more options. You can set it to strict also. So I'll just keep it the balance one, which is recommended. Just move back. Now you will see here do not track option. Just click on it. Just enable it. If it is turned off. Now after enabling both these options on your respective Edge web browser, this Edge web browser will not track you while you are browsing on your respective smartphone. So this is how you can make Chrome and Edge web browser not to track while browsing in any computer or smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.